Hello, this is Discount Auto Repair on Sauder Derby Road, 4557 Sauder Derby, where we do a free inspection on brakes and install brake pads for $89.99 and $24.99 for oil change. And telephone number is 614-850-0000. Call us, let us help you. Thank you. This is Discount Auto Repair. We do oil change, fast oil repair. It's a small shop and well maintained. I have all the equipment. We carry all the filters for all the vehicles. We do brake jobs, brake rotors, calipers, on any kind of vehicles, and new pads, new brake rotors. We do timing belts, serpentine belts, exhaust work, mufflers, and we do tires, some used, some new. Small shop, try to maintain basic stuff, air filters, and pretty much general maintenance. AC service, transmission service, just exchanging fluid, and coolant service. This is the oil where we have all the oils, 5W30 full synthetic, 5W20, and we use these nozzles to pump the oil to the car for oil changes.